Well, hello guys, this is Danik. After Effects tutorial, those shiny fancy galaxy eyes that you saw on the intro. So, Twixer your clip, because we are gonna use masks. I'm not gonna talk about Twixer, so there is a millions of tutorial if you want to know what I'm talking about, to have a decent movement. And search on YouTube and internet about galaxy footage or galaxy overlay and choose whatever you like. And yeah. Oh, just let's get this out of the way. Those fancy galaxy clips that you see on the internet are as easy as bring your galaxy clip on top of the original clip, go to blending mode, overlay, and wow, you can enhance it with HD Tech and stuff to make it look much cooler, but this is not the tutorial. So duplicate the clip with Ctrl D, hotkey G is for the pen tool. We are gonna mask out the eyes. Sorry about my voice, by the way. I've been sick for 2 days. I know you don't care, but still I have been sick for 2 days, so. Oh my god, what I am doing. Okay, my pad is really dirty, that's the issue, I guess. So we have our mask here, and as you see, it has movements in it. So we are going to select our mask. The hotkey is the hotkey is M. We are going to select both of them, go to track here, and we are going to click on play here. Technically what it does, it is adjusting the masks that we have with the footage of the eye, so it is correcting itself. If you have so much movement, which I don't recommend for this kind of effects because it takes so much time, you have to do it frame by frame. Now is the time that we bring our galaxy clip on top. Copy your masks, go to the beginning of the clip, paste it, and go for blending mode and overlay. You can also go for blending mode, add, or even a screen, but I like overlay for this kind of effect much better. Let's add deep glow to it. Okay, that's too much. To have a better result, you can play with the opacity. Okay, that was too much. And also, yeah, let's add some feather to it. Both of them look much better, but it's still stupid. Let's go for expansion also. I think maybe 5. Yeah, good enough. So technically this is what you need to do. You can also go for some color corrections. Let's just go for curves in here, and the darker it does look much better. If you don't want to disclose on the sides, you have to make a much precise mask on inside the eye and play with the feather. So this is it. If you liked it, if you learned anything, feel free to subscribe or like. If not, I feel good enough that you guys were around and watched it. I am happy enough, and wish you luck with your edits. So peace.